Welcome back to our career series. Today we are immersing overseas in the dynamic world of engineering, manufacturing and technology. From pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery to constructing inspiring structure and advancing manufacturing processes. This field offers endless opportunities for innovation and creativity. Let's begin by exploring the key career clusters within engineering, manufacturing and technology. Science, technology, engineering and mathematics, STEM, architecture and construction, manufacturing. In an era of rapidly technical advancement and industrial revolution, these clusters play a vital role in shaping the world around us.
As a scientist, my work involves conducting groundbreaking research in biotechnology and materials science. I apply mathematics, physics, and chemistry principles to develop new technologies and solutions that address real-world challenges.
Our goal is to create spaces that not only meet the functional needs of people but also inspire and uplift them. We blend creativity with technical expertise to design sustainable buildings that harmonize with their environment and enhance the quality of life for communities. As a manufacturing engineer, I focus on optimizing production processes to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure product quality. By integrating automation, robotics, and data analytics, we're revolutionizing the way goods are produced across various industries, from automotive to electronics.
In technology, innovation is at the heart of what we do. From developing cutting-edge software applications to designing breakthrough hardware solutions, technology professionals drive progress and shape the future of industries ranging from healthcare to finance. Curiosity, adaptability, and a passion for learning are key attributes for success in this rapidly evolving field.
Now, let's think about the future of engineering, manufacturing, and technology. With advancement in automation, artificial intelligence, and sustainable practice, the possibilities for innovation are limitless. From smart cities to renewable energy solutions, engineers, architects, and manufacturers are the forefront of shaping a more sustainable and interconnected world.
As we embrace digitalization and Industry 4.0, the demand for skilled professionals in STEM fields will continue to grow, driving innovation across industries.
The future of architecture and construction lies in sustainable design, prefabrication techniques, and resilient infrastructure to address the challenges of urbanization and climate change.
So, who can be successful in the world of engineering, manufacturing, and technology? Individuals with a passion for problem solving, creativity, and technology are well suited for career in engineering, technology, and manufacturing. Whatever you are a STEM enthusiast, a visionary architecture, or a manufacturing lover, you have an important role in shaping our world's future. That's all for this episode. In our next episode, we will explore the world of health science and technology. Remember, in the engineering, manufacturing and technology sector, there is always room for innovation. See you soon in the next episode. Till then, keep exploring happily.